Meaning of heavy metal.
Heavy metal.
Heavy metal.
Heavy metal.
Heavy metal. Heavy metal is a genre of music that emerged in the late 1960s and early 1970s, characterized by its highly amplified and distorted sound, complex instrumentation, and often dark and aggressive lyrics. The genre is heavily influenced by blues rock, psychedelic rock, and classical music. Heavy metal bands typically feature extended guitar solos, powerful vocals, and a driving rhythm section. The genre has evolved over the years, with subgenres such as thrash metal, death metal, and power metal. Heavy metal has garnered a dedicated fan base around the world and continues to be a popular form of music today.